32 for the super late models here, Roaring Knob. Only 4 cars in this heat. Went around, and also the 33 of Sean, I forget what his last name is. He's only a crate late model racer. I think he was signaling something like they need to put a 44 lock in there with the 31. I think that might be Bob Gordon. He's still sitting there. Yeah, I can't worry that he's taking it unless he's gonna take you right back to the pits. Or he's gonna turn back around right there. Left front, like front end's a little bit shoved back. Hopefully it's not rubbing on the wheel right there, the left front. It's not gonna either fire up the 33, push him, or we're just gonna tow him off. Up 33. Okay, push this fender a little bit. Time. The chain oil out. Do they have all that ready? What are they doing? I feel like the thing together the way it looks. And stop them right there. Red while we wait for him to get the 33 off the track, which is right down there.